Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss how to write formulas in Microsoft Excel software. So, first of all, you should know what is formula. I already discussed the definition in pre-learning video also. So, formula is nothing but it is a mathematical expression that includes operands and operators to evaluate the result. You know this definition as you are good in mathematics subject. Yes or no? Yes. So Excel provides many features that allows us to create and use formulas in Excel worksheets. And keep it in mind while writing a formula, the formula is always starts with the symbol is equal to. See, I am writing a formula for this cell is equal to. If I want to do some arithmetic addition operation, for example, I am adding value present in D6. See, see the selection D6 plus D7. See, I am giving enter. After typing the mathematical expression, now you can see the formula in formula bar. See here, while component introduction I told you. So this is a place where you can see the formula present in a cell. So equal to the values you want to add, and then you should press enter to see the result in the corresponding destination cell. Okay, so in this way you can write formula using cell references, or you can use the values directly to calculate or to perform some calculation. See, now for understanding formula, I have taken a scenario of uh, giving bill to a customer, Mr. John. So customer John purchased 4 different items: television, toaster machine, mobile phone and AC, and each with the rate as specified, and he purchased this much quantity, and the company is giving him a discount amount. Okay, so now how will you write formula for calculating amount for each and every product and also the cumulative bill total? Okay, this is what the work we are taken now. See, how will you write formula? Equal to rate. So what is the cell value present in rate? D6 into, we'll multiply the rate with quantity. So quantity is available in E6, and after getting this value we have to subtract the discount amount. Yes, now see, this is what the final value. So now the same formula is following in forthcoming cell. Yes. So now I'm going to use the option called autofill. See here, now I just want to autofill the formula. So for that, dynamic cell references are used. See, when I'm getting this plus symbol, you have to click the mouse and drag down up to the destination cell. Now see the change. The formula is applied or copied to all the cells, but according to the cell references are again changed. So when you see the formula bar, now the references are changed to D7 and E7. Now I'm clicking here, the references are changed to D8 and E8. So this is a special feature available in Excel software. This is what called as dynamic cell references are invoked in formula usage. Okay, so in this way you can use formula and autofill option in Microsoft Excel. We will discuss some more features in next class. Thank you, children.